Right on, man.
Awesome, man. Well, I'll put my gloves on and get out of your hair.
Cool, have a good ride.
Thanks again, bud. Yeah.
Hey, Paul, good meeting you, Paul.
Alright, try not to kill myself on the first day I bought this bike. Things have a bit of a reputation for power, but I'm going to take it easy. I'm in standard mode. I'm not even going to put it in A mode for a while, because I don't know. It's a bit of a tight squeeze in the driveway. So happy right now. Real nice guy, Paul. FZ-09 off of. Throttle's definitely a bit jerky, but I think I'll get used to it. It's not bad. Yo! 604 blue light right in front of me. Woo! This bike is awesome, man. I love it already. I haven't even ridden it and I love it. Incredible. This thing, you can tell it's got so much balls down low. Like you open this triple up, it's gonna scream. Woo! I can go around you. Holy man, I'm not even giving it gas. Woohoo! This thing's incredible. Wow. Just in standard. Not even in A mode. Seems okay. It's pretty manageable. Thank you. It's so upright, man. This thing's a dream. So comfortable. I can't believe I bought this bike either. I thought it was going to be some beat up turd, but nope. You just don't know, right? And ad says it's got some scuffs and stuff. You just don't know. But he's kind of over exaggerating with this bike. Oh my, like I'm doing 80k an hour, it doesn't even feel like it. It's ridiculous. Oh man, I can't wait to have fun with this bike. Oh man, the torque on this thing. It doesn't matter what gear you're in. Oh, this thing is wicked. Oh my gosh. I'm not even full throttling it, man. It just goes. This is faster for sure. This is faster than my Strad, I guarantee it. Maybe not up top, but you'd have to rev my Strad to like 12 grand to keep up with this thing. This is a different type kind of bike for sure. I haven't even played with it yet, you know. Nice guy. It's nice to do business with somebody who's friendly and, you know, young guy. He seemed like pretty honest. Bike only has 9,000 something K on it. Can't really go wrong, man. These Yamaha triples are notoriously well built, smooth. I'm looking forward to this. Strad is going to go up for sale, definitely. I can't justify owning two bikes, but 750 I had some good times on. You know, I never got the full potential out of that bike by a long shot, but it's just you really have to wing it. It's getting old, and you know, throttle response is a bit like with the throttle bodies and the clutch and stuff. It's a bit rough. You remember when the test ride, it was just like, it's kind of jerky, you know. This thing, you know, the first couple of gears it feels a bit jerky, but I just got to get used to it. I'm sure it'll be totally fine once I get used to it. February 2nd we were riding. I got to ride my new bike home. Can you believe that? It's just like the weather, you can't ask for better. I'm not cold at all. I'm doing good. This little neck guard I got on is great. The jacket's thick enough, the Joe Rocket with the extra liner. I'm doing fine. Windproof gloves. I'm just wearing jeans and I'm fine. I mean, realistically, I'm not going to ride this thing at night. It's too cold, but oops. Yeah, man, I suck. I'm hitting the horn already. Not used to the signals on this thing. Just taking it real easy while I get used to the bike. Yeah. Yeah. So we got all the different modes. That's so unique to me. Keep it in STD mode for now. Got a fuel gauge, we got a gear position sensor, we got tripometers. Yeah. A high, low. Yeah, this is I'm not digging the levers. Levers I think gotta go. It's got the little Puige windscreen, actual genuine windscreen, not an AliExpress. Which is cool. That's a couple $100 right there. Needs a new front tire for sure. It's a little worn. Needs a new battery. I think I'm gonna replace the battery. But for the price I paid for this, I can't complain. You know, I think the deal's totally fair for both parties. I think I got a good deal and he got a fairly good deal as well. I mean, this thing's low K. It's gonna be fun, man. I can't wait to insure this thing. Oh man. This thing hauls. Woo! I'd like to get this thing a flash. Maybe get a can on it and get somebody to dyno tune it. And then yeah, get 91 octane, tune it for that. Get just a couple local tuners around here that'll do it. Throw it on a dyno and see what kind of power we can get out of this thing. A little more noise out of the exhaust would be good. It's a bit quiet, but it's loud enough. To me, the intake is quite loud. It's got that nice triple whine. I can hear it. It's just wah, kind of hear it going away. So I'm pretty pleased. So even in top gear, just cracking the throttle a little bit. It goes from 90 to 110k like nothing. Like, this thing has so much torque. I can't believe it. And it's smooth torque. It's not like grunty, like you got the nice V-twin 1000, like really, you know. This thing is just like it's like a sewing machine. It just goes wee, and then it moves. Just taking it easy. I'm doing 96k an hour, almost 100 right now, and it feels like nothing. It's so deceptive on this bike. It feels like nothing. Like, the windscreen is good. Like, the wind seems to be a little diffused. It's hitting my face a little bit, but it's not bothering me. The guy that I bought it from is probably 6'2". I'm 6 feet. Apparently it was hitting him right in the neck. For me, it's actually hitting right on my helmet. So if I have the visor down, that's fine. This is awesome, man. I'm so happy right now. You know, it's so funny. I've had a center for 3 years. I've never used Bluetooth. Like, seriously? Like, this triple is awesome.
Epstax Productions on his new FZ-09. There you go. That's a way better shot. Way better shot. Perfect. Nice.
Love this thing, man. Love this thing already. I'm not going to try and wheel it right now.
I bet. One day. By accident.
This bike will come up. But it's not as twitchy as people are saying. Like, I don't really get all the complaints. Like, it feels plenty stable to me. I'm definitely used to old bikes, 100%. This is not an old bike. I mean, it's 5 years old now, coming up on 5, but for me, this is a brand new bike. Still getting a little used to the shifting on this thing and kind of what RPM I need to be at. I think the flash really probably helped this thing, like he was saying. I think Yamaha was offering it for very minimal cost because they knew there was a problem. The earlier FZs have, or this is the earliest of 2014. So I just love it already. I love riding this thing. Like, this triple is incredible. I haven't even opened it up, and like, I don't even know how it is up top, but like, just for rideability, like the torque on the highway is great. Like, road tripping on this thing I think will be fine. I mean, it's only got a 14-liter tank. So it gets about 230k to a tank apparently if you're gentle, about 210 if you're rough. So it's not like it's not an FZ-09 that's like, it's got an 18-liter tank. This is only a 14. So, pretty hard to say no to this bike. It's this color scheme that I want. It's the gray and the blue. It's the original 2014. I love that color. It's my favorite color scheme, pretty much. I already have a gray Gixxer, so it kind of just works. You know? You gotta just transition from one gray bike to the other. This thing hauls!
Damn.
I better be good, I better be good, I better be good. It's a little wet on the roads. This thing's got a bad tire, so I gotta be careful, but like, the speed of this thing is just... Oh my. You can get so much trouble with this bike, it's not even funny, because you don't even feel like you're going fast. I haven't gone that fast on my Gixxer in a long time. I just did it now on a brand new bike that I've barely ridden. Like, you just can't... I don't know. It just wants to go. It just loves it. Oh man, even 6 gears, just like... I'm not even opening the throttle, I'm in standard mode. This isn't even A mode. It's so much fun, man. I mean, this thing, for a naked bike, it's pretty sheltered. The tank kind of wraps in front of your leg a little bit. Like, it's not totally exposed. It's not like my CB900 where your knees are like straight out in the air. Like, knees in the breeze, brother. That's what it was like. This bike, you're a little tucked in. It's sporty. It's got a nice neuro tank. You feel confident. You can easily grip with your legs. You know, it's not a big fat seat. It's, yeah. It's good. It's good. What's up, buddy? It's fun. Woo! It's doing about 4,000 RPM at 100k an hour. It's like, it's totally cruisable on the highway. It's pretty low. This thing redlines at 11.5, so plenty of RPM to play with. I mean, I'm not going to go crazy with the wheelies. I got a kid and stuff, but this bike will do it if you wanted to. It will do it happily, eagerly, and it will do it exquisitely. So, having a good time, you know, it's 35 bucks to insure for the day, but totally worth it. I'm only going to ride it home, you know, not far, but just to be out on the bike and enjoying it, it's priceless. Maybe some heated grips and some bash guards would be good. That's probably what I'll do, get some Oxfords or something and get some bash guards, covers for the handlebars, because your hands are quite high up and exposed on this bike, so you're going to get a lot of wind and rain if you're riding through weather. So I can see why people do that. I might do that on this, I don't know, but heated grips probably. Yeah, heated grips for sure would be great. But it's already got the windscreen, which I like. I've always liked the Yamaha, and I always knew I'd probably end up with one. They just seem to have the best balance of sport and performance and looks. They've kind of figured it out. Suzuki, I like the engines, I like the bikes, but the looks aren't as good to me. And just the stuff they're offering, you know, like I'd take this bike over a G6 750 any day of the week. Not even close. I mean, the 1,000 would be amazing, but let's be real here. I don't have 13 grand to spend on 1,000. It's funny too. I'm like the least hooligan-y out of all you guys, and I have the most hooligan bike now. Thank you, sir, and thanks again for your help. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the Yamaha FZ-09 first ride. Thank you.